Oh, okay, it's April 25th. Me and the boy Wonder sitting up on a new tribe of gobblers. Got them all over the place here. I'm just trying to get everything set up for the rest of the hunt. It's going to be kind of wild. Let's see what we can do this morning. Boy, old son. Go get him. Go put your foot on him. That's a nice bird.
He's alright.
He's a 2-year-old.
He's a big 2-year-old though, honestly.
Come down here with me. Oh, that's a nice bird.
Nice fan.
Yep.
That was awesome.
Now that the kids got one, it's just down to me.
I guarantee you we can come back here and kill another one.
Yeah, we had them roosted last night. That first bird that pitched out of the tree down the edge, he's definitely what I would consider the more mature tom, but these things were grouped up in a big wad. There were, was it 3?
Yeah.
And I was just, when I was behind the camera, I was just praying. I was like, please don't shoot all of them at once, because they were all like,
yeah.
Yeah. Good shooting, bub.
Yep. Cool.